Do you ever feel like your body is just not keeping up with your busy lifestyle? Or do you suffer from chronic fatigue, allergies, or other respiratory issues? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then you might want to consider taking N-Acetylcysteine. In this video, we'll be exploring the amazing benefits of N-Acetylcysteine, or NAC for short, and also look at why the FDA might be taking it away from you. Hi, I'm Sage. It's great to be here with you. I'm here to be your source of cutting-edge wellness information to help you find answers to become happier and healthier. Please support us by hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. It only takes a second to do, and it does so much to support our tiny family business. As you may know, I am deeply passionate about helping you, not just with educational information, but also by offering some of the amazing products that I've created for our company. You can find a link down in the description to the world's healthiest gourmet chocolates, delicious elixir blends, and the purest, most potent adaptogenic herbs. NAC is an amino acid that's derived from the naturally occurring amino acid cysteine, and it's been used for decades to help treat a variety of conditions and has recently gained a lot of popularity as a dietary supplement. It's so powerful, in fact, that the FDA even tried to make it inaccessible to regular people recently. It's been available as a dietary supplement for about 30 years, but back in the 60s, it was approved by the FDA as an inhaled drug for obstructive lung disease. And then back in '85, they also approved it as an oral drug for treating acetaminophen toxicity. Because of this previous drug classification, they wanted to exclude it from the dietary supplement category. So in 2020, the FDA sent warning letters to the companies who were selling N-acetylcysteine, and Amazon stopped allowing the sale of N-acetylcysteine supplements. But fortunately, the FDA met huge resistance, not just from supplement companies, but also from alliances of doctors and naturopaths who'd been using this to great effect in their clinical practices. The FDA hasn't come to a final decision yet, but fortunately, NAC supplements are still widely available and once again listed on Amazon. So why do people care so much about NAC to make them want to stand up to the FDA and ensure that they can still access this supplement? Well, you have to understand that glutathione is often called the master antioxidant, and it's involved in tissue repair, detoxification, immunity, and much, much more. But it's not as easy as just taking a couple of glutathione capsules to improve your glutathione levels. Glutathione is very sensitive and it's easily destroyed by digestion, and this makes glutathione supplements very often completely worthless. They never actually make it into your bloodstream to be able to benefit you. But taking NAC can actually help increase the body's own production of glutathione. When you have higher glutathione levels in your body, it can help improve exercise performance and recovery as well, particularly in those whose glutathione levels are maybe not so great. And it can also be really good for people dealing with respiratory issues. It helps to break down mucus and phlegm, making it easier to breathe, and can also reduce inflammation in the airways and help prevent asthma attacks by doing that. Now, what about seasonal allergies? So, N-acetylcysteine helps to reduce the production of histamines, and these are chemicals that cause allergic reactions. So you'll be able to breathe easier and enjoy the outdoors without having to deal with those seasonal allergies. And last but not least, by improving glutathione production, NAC is also helping to support the health of the brain. So it helps to regulate brain glutamate levels. And glutamate is a neurotransmitter that's involved in learning, behavior, and memory functions. And beyond that, glutathione is also helping to reduce the oxidative damage in the brain that one would commonly see with age. So I want to know, have you tried taking N-acetylcysteine before? If so, let me know down in the comments what your experience has been like. And before you go, here's a link to a video that I think you'd enjoy watching next, and there's a link to a video that YouTube thinks you'd enjoy, and there's a link to our website. Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you all again next time.